Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." If you think you are inflicted by negative self-talk, fear of failure, lack of adaptability, and reduced emotional well-being, it points to the fact that you have a weak mindset. And a person with weak mindset cannot reach to his full potential, as he is always fighting his inner demons like self-doubt, lack of confidence, and self-criticism. However, in the profound teachings of Buddhism, there are lessons that can empower you to overcome mental weakness and transcend the negative frame of mind to realize your full potential. So here are the 9 ways to stop being mentally weak. 1. Do something your brain doesn't think you can do. Your brain may often suggest that you are not good enough and restrain you from undertaking an apparently difficult task. One of the best ways to strengthen your mind is to do that very thing that you find difficult. For example, if you are not a morning person and cannot get up early, make it a point and get up at 5 a.m. This very act is going to empower you so much, and you will realize that your perceived limitations are only subjective. This aligns with the concept of cultivating a growth mindset. In Buddhism, the idea of impermanence suggests that change is constant. By challenging oneself and doing things beyond one's perceived limits, individuals can embrace the impermanent nature of their capabilities and foster personal growth. 2. Do not strive to be perfect. Holding yourself to unrealistic standards can make you feel discouraged. Realize that nobody is perfect, including you, and adjust your expectations accordingly. This will help you feel lighter, happier, and less down on yourself. Focus on making your goals reachable and achievable, as this can help you stay confident and positive. The Buddhist concept of right effort, part of the Eightfold Path, encourages individuals to make sincere and diligent efforts without being attached to perfection. Buddhism acknowledges the imperfection of the world and encourages individuals to focus on positive and impactful actions rather than striving for an unattainable ideal. 3. Practice 10 minutes rule. Building mental strength is valuable for maintaining productivity, even during times when motivation is lacking. However, it's important to recognize that mental strength doesn't guarantee constant motivation. A practical approach to overcome procrastination is the 10-minute rule. When faced with the temptation to delay an important task, challenge yourself to initiate it for just 10 minutes. If, after this brief period, the struggle persists, it's acceptable to consider stopping. However, more often than not, taking that initial step reveals that the task isn't as formidable as initially thought. Commencing the task is typically the most challenging part, but leveraging your acquired skills can help sustain momentum. 4. Prove yourself wrong. Buddhism emphasizes the impermanence of thoughts and encourages individuals to transcend the attachments to limiting beliefs. Challenge the notion of incapability by proving yourself wrong the next time you doubt your abilities. Set ambitious targets, whether it's exceeding your sales goal or improving your mile run time. Acknowledge your underestimated capabilities and establish a habit of consistently surpassing your own expectations. With each achievement, your mind will gradually cease underestimating your true potential. 5. Stop looking for external validation. The Buddha emphasized the importance of relying on one's wisdom and discernment rather than external validation. To foster mental strength, it is essential to break free from the habit of seeking external validation. Relying on others for constant approval places one's sense of worth in external hands, making it susceptible to fluctuations based on others' opinions. Instead, cultivating inner validation by acknowledging personal accomplishments and intrinsic value is crucial. Embracing self-approval allows for greater resilience and a more stable foundation for mental well-being. By shifting the focus from external praise to self-acknowledgement, individuals can reduce vulnerability to external opinions, fostering a stronger and more independent mindset. 6. Build your mental muscle. Buddhist practices, such as mindfulness and meditation, are akin to exercises for the mind, aimed at enhancing awareness and resilience. Building mental strength is akin to developing a robust mental muscle. It involves consistent efforts to challenge and overcome obstacles, cultivate resilience, and embrace a growth mindset. Just as physical muscles strengthen through exercise, the mind can fortify itself through intentional practices like mindfulness, positive self-talk, and facing challenges head-on. Engaging in activities that push the boundaries of comfort, coupled with a commitment to learning and adapting, contributes to the gradual strengthening of one's mental resilience. By actively participating in the process of building mental strength, individuals empower themselves to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and endurance, ultimately breaking free from the constraints of mental weakness. 7. Act as if you feel strong. Act as if you feel strong is a transformative mindset that encourages individuals to embody strength even in moments of vulnerability. By adopting a confident and resilient demeanor, individuals can influence their internal state. This approach involves intentionally expressing strength through body language, positive affirmations, and proactive behaviors. The act of projecting strength, even when faced with uncertainty, can lead to a positive feedback loop, gradually reinforcing genuine feelings of inner strength. This practice not only helps individuals navigate challenges more effectively, but also contributes to the cultivation of a resilient mindset, breaking the cycle of mental weakness. 8. Remember, hard times have been there before. It serves as a poignant reminder that challenges are a natural part of the human experience and have been encountered and overcome in the past. This perspective invites individuals to reflect on their own resilience and the lessons learned from previous hardships. Recognizing that difficulties are transient and not insurmountable helps build mental strength. It encourages a sense of perspective, assuring individuals that they possess the capacity to navigate through adversity. By acknowledging the cyclical nature of challenges and drawing strength from past triumphs, individuals can cultivate a resilient mindset, ultimately breaking free from the clutches of mental weakness. 9. Don't waste time feeling sorry for yourself. In the pursuit of mental strength, it's crucial to acknowledge setbacks without succumbing to a victim mentality. Focusing on self-compassion and learning from challenges, rather than dwelling on perceived injustices, empowers individuals to take control of their narrative. By refraining from self-pity, one can channel energy into problem-solving, personal growth, and resilience. This shift in mindset is pivotal in breaking free from mental weakness, fostering a more empowered and proactive approach to life's adversities.